Scrying is an ancient divination art. It's also known as crystal gazing or second sight. Today we're talking about using crystals to scry, but you can also use other things such as wax, clouds, candles, mirror, a bowl of water, oil, or even tea leaves. The word scry comes from an Old English word, descry, which means to make out dimly or to reveal. So it means to reveal the unseen through our natural, inborn, intuitive capacity to see and know things, but not through the five senses. Scrying is a powerful form of self-understanding and analysis. It's a wonderful way to get in touch with your inner self, your inner knowing, and your dreams, goals, and your actual needs. Here are the basic steps in starting a scrying practice. Step 1, make sure that you cleanse yourself and your crystals and your environment. Step 2, prepare your space, turn your phone off, turn down the lights. Make sure to set an intention for your scrying session. It could be a question or a special need that you have, and you can write this down in your journal, which you should keep nearby. Step 3, light a candle and place on either side of the sphere that you will use for scrying, and make sure that the light reflects off the crystal. And step 4, sit comfortably and enter a meditative or trance-like state. Do this through breathwork, chanting, listening to music, gently beating a drum, or any other practice you enjoy. You will know when you have achieved an altered state when you feel expanded, peaceful, alert, focused, and connected. Step 5, with your intention in mind, gently focus your eyes on the crystal with a soft focus. Relax your entire body, head to toe progressively. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the crystal. Eventually, an image, a word, a sound, a symbol, or a dreamlike scene will play out before you. Without any judgment, observe this. Know that your powerful unconscious mind or a spirit guide may be communicating this information to you. Either way, this is your experience. After your session, take your journal and write down your thoughts and feelings. Insight might come immediately or after a period of time. Have patience. There is no right or wrong way to practice this. Use your intuition and your own creativity.